Hello and welcome back. And if you're new here, this video is from the series Draw Daily Challenge, where we have a list of prompts and we're going to be drawing one thing every single day. So today is day number 3 and the prompt for today is worm. So come and let's draw this with Adobe Fresco. Click on your folders and go into the folder that we created. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch the intro video in the playlist. And I'm going to now click on plus, create new, and digital current screen size. The brush that we're going to use is again dry media and hard pastel. For colors, I want some bright and nice colors. So I'm going to go into my color palette here. The link to everything is in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check it out. I don't have a sketch for you guys, just a color palette. So go ahead and pick it up if you want. So we're going to use this one here, which is all nice and colorful. I'm going to start off with this blue and we're going to draw some worms. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so that we can see it properly. And then, oh, this is too big. I'm going to reduce this to about 100. Let's check it out. A little bigger. You can use your 2 fingers to undo. About 145-ish, click and hold and change it, or use up and down to change it as well. The flow is set to 40. Everything else is default. So I'm going to go and make some shapes like that, and we can go ahead and edit it later because I want to make the edges completely uniform and round. I'm going to go into the next color, maybe this one, yellow, and then let's choose black. Let's go into charcoal and we're going to do charcoal pencil. Perfect. We're going to increase the size to about 25-ish. This is set to 76. Now make sure to click on a new layer by clicking on this plus, and we're going to go ahead and draw the worms. I'm going to draw one here, one here, one there, here one, and there you go. And let's decorate it a little bit. There you go. That's nice. Now we'll go and create one more layer. We're going to add more elements now. So I want you to go and pick some colors. Maybe there's green right here. And I will go back into my hard pastel. So you can go to recents and then you'll see your brushes over there. So we're going to go ahead and add some elements up here. There's one green there. And then maybe like that. Let's add some blue, and maybe a bit of yellow. That's wonderful. You can add more elements to these bits that you have done already. So I'm going to go quickly change to charcoal pencil, and I want to make some of these look like a worm. So let me go ahead and use the purple. Now we're going to go into the layer which has the purple, and we're going to color that off. And next plus and a clipping mask because I want to draw things on that purple worm. So let me choose some white or maybe even same color, and then go into levels, click here and change the blend mode to screen. And now when you draw, you should see some white or lighter shaded bits over here. And you can go outside the line like that and it wouldn't matter. Okay, that's the simple worm, and you can use this to actually create seamless patterns. I have a tutorial on how to create seamless patterns with elements like this. I will link it in the description box below. Do go ahead and check it out, and you can make awesome seamless patterns with this as well. And then after all this, I obviously want to add a special element here. Heart pastel. I'm going to move this green like that, and we're going to add white and charcoal pencil. This is going to be worms. This is day number 3. Once you're done, click on share, publish and export, export as, and you can save it however you want. How about we add a texture? I'm going to go ahead and add a texture by clicking on my images, files, and bringing the texture. If you want the same texture, I have a link in the description box below to go ahead and download it. So files, and I'm going to bring grungy canvas. And I'll bring it all the way up. Use your corners to increase the size. Click on done. Go to your levels here and make sure you turn this into multiply. And then your artwork is ready, and you can export it this way as well. If you want to support this channel, you can always buy me a coffee at kofi.com. If you like this, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to check out all the prompts and try it by yourself, it's on my Kofi page. There's a link in the description box below for you to check it out. If you want to watch the other videos, it's in the playlist called Daily Challenge with Adobe Fresco. So go ahead and check it out as well. And I guess I'll see you in the next video then. Bye.